Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two fitness tracker. We have the Techlife Smartband, and the other one is the H1 smartwatch. Although it looks like a smartband, but its features are somewhat more of a smartwatch. Okay, the design, it looks like a smartband, but it is loaded with features that is available in a smartwatch. I guess that's why they marketed this as an H1 smartwatch. So this one, it is a fitness tracker, the Techlife Smartband. Also a popular fitness tracker from the company Techlife. This one, we don't have a brand for this one, just marketed as the H1 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the two wearables. We will compare the design, the specs, and the UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Techlife Smartband compared with the H1 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. So this is the Techlife Smartband, a more premium fitness tracker. So this is the packaging, compact, and it looks much better. Okay, more premium compared to our Lexus Fit powered smartwatch here, the H1 smartwatch. Just a simple packaging here. We have the QR code, the features on the side. So when it comes to packaging, the Techlife Smartband will have a much better packaging, more premium, and more compact. Okay, and when it comes to design, again, this is our Techlife Smartband. This is the H1 smartwatch. So we have here, okay, the design. They both have a fitness tracker design here. Both do have a plastic material with a physical button on the side. At the back, we do have a plastic cover with a pogo pin, charging cable, and we have a sensor here. Both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement. So when it comes to the design here, they almost have the same. Okay, let's have a closer look at the wearable here. So which do you think is better in terms of the design? When it comes to the feel, I think the Techlife Smartband will have a much better compact body frame compared to our H1. Okay, as you can see here, it feels more premium compared to our H1. Okay, for the buckle, both do have a stainless steel buckle. Okay, next, let's check out the dimension. For the width here, 26.0, the other one 26.8. This is a minor difference. For the length, 44.3, the other one 46.1, 2 millimeter in thickness for our H1, or for the length, I mean. Okay, for the thickness here, 9.9 for our for our Techlife. For the H1, we have 10.9. Okay, then for the weight, let's check out the weight here. For the Techlife, it is around 27.51. For the H1, it is 24.46 again. 27.49. and the other one is 24. So much lighter for our H1 smartwatch. Plastic. This one, it is also plastic. Okay, for the specifications, for our Techlife, we have 1.47 inch TFT LCD. For the H1 smartwatch, we have 1.45 inch IPS. Bluetooth 5.3 for the connectivity for the Techlife. Bluetooth 5.1 for our H1. Again, for the Bluetooth connectivity, the Techlife do have a much better connection. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. Lexus Fit powered smartwatch. This one is the Fit powered smartwatch. Okay. Next, let's check out the UI. Before we proceed to our next video, check out the menus and features. Notifications here. Settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. So it's the opposite. Menus. This one, it's all the widgets. Okay, on the left side or on the right side, we do have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. For our H1, just swipe. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review or comparison review of the Techlife smartwatch or the Techlife smartwatch compared with the H1 smartwatch. Again, Techlife Smartband is non-corrected compared with the H1 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below and watch for our second video, the comparison review of the menus and features. If you have any questions regarding this video review, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.